Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Indian snacks. This is like a corn chaat. So we are making in one shot two recipe. One will be the basket chaat, one will be the matri chaat. So first we'll make the dough. This is like a 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and this is 2 tablespoon semolina seed and little bit salt. I would say just quarter teaspoon. So we'll mix it, and after that we need some oil. Okay, I'll bring the spoon. You can use ghee or oil, no problem. So I'll put 4 tablespoon oil. First we'll mix the oil and flour together. So we are not adding too much oil because it's not good for the basket, the crockery. So it's ready. Now I have to add the warm water. We'll mix the dough. We'll add slowly water. We are not making too soft. We are not making too hard. Has to be medium. If you make too soft, then we cannot make the shape. So we need some more water. Yeah, I think this is perfect, so we don't need any more water. So we have to mix it well. So dough has been resting like the last 10 minutes. So you can see like it's good. Dough is ready. So now I have to make the small bowl. You need little bit oil on hand and little bit on the counter. So you are not using any flours, dusting for. The suji, I already add the suji. What is the purpose of suji? Suji make you little bit hardness for the dough, and also for we make the basket for the flour one, so make little bit harder. That's why you add the suji, semolina. So we need to give them another 10-minute rest. Then we will make the bread. So now I start. We will make the bread for the basket, another one for the matri. So we need little bit oil on the bottom. We are not putting any dusting. We'll make the round shape. For papri we need little bit bigger size. I have to spread the dough. Doesn't matter this is if its shape is not like a round shape. We don't need round shape for matri. Just we have to spread the bread, the dough. We'll put in the cutting board. So we'll make the mini matri, not too big one. We'll slice it thin one because I am making small size matri. It's called mini matri. Then we'll go angle shape little bit like this. Then it will be look diamond shape. Okay, now I'll keep this one, leave it there. So I'll make the next one for the basket. We'll take one bowl and I'll put some oil on the bottom. We try to make the round shape as possible. Okay, this is perfect. So this is perfect round shape. Now how do I make the basket? Either you can use this kind of ball. I'm giving you the easiest one, like this kind of glass. You can hold it because I have to put in the oil. So trick is the jug, the glass has to be warm. You can put in the oil little bit, and also you need a oil little bit. Otherwise what happen, it will be, if it's cold, it will be stick with the glass. So we'll take this one. Okay, first we'll put the some tuck. Either you can use fork or I can use a knife. If you don't put the tuck, what happen, it will be, when you boil fry it, it will be, make the bubble. So you don't want that. So just put it in the middle. We'll cover it like this, or take it like this, hold it, and you can see it has to be, tried our best, make round shape. Little bit up and down is no problem. You can make like this. Okay, now you can see it look like a basket shape. We have to little bit move because otherwise it will be stick. Now we'll put in the oil. So I already preheated the oil for the last 5 minutes in the low, very slow heat. So now it's ready. Now I'll put in the oil. You have to cook slowly. Now you can increase the little bit, low to medium. Then you need 1 spoon. You can put some oil on side. It will help you to easy to take it out. Sometime it will stick with the glass. You can put some oil on top side. After that you have to hold it and put like this. Then you can cook all the way up and down. You need to fry like at least 6-7 minutes. It has to be little bit fry on the bottom, golden fry. Inside is, you don't have to golden fry, but outside need slowly golden fry, then it will be hard. So basket has been frying for the last 10 minutes. So now you can see you have to move. If you use this too hot, you can use tongue and move like this for the upside. It will cook fast. Now you can see the bottom is already, so I have to take it out. You need some spoon. It is sometimes stick with this one. You have to remove slowly, but this one easily came out. Now we need support. Another one. You have to flip it to the other side. Then the upper portion is now already cooking. So now I have to take it out. It's done. So I have to turn off the flame low. So I'll make the matri. We have to fry it on the high flame. Not high flame, like a medium. So all you need, you have to little bit put like this. Any ladles or strainer, then it will be like bubble shape. Fry for 2-3 minutes. When you see little bit start golden brown, then you have to take it out. So matri is ready. So you can see slide start golden brown. So I have to take it out now. I'll turn off the gas. So I have to give them at least half an hour for the cool down, because we are making chaat. Then this one as well, we have to give them half an hour time. If you give them 2 hours, it's good, because we need to cool down this one and also make the hard. When it will be hard, then we can make the chaat. Otherwise, if it's soft, then we will put all the stuffs, chaat stuff inside. It will be grow. So give them at least 1 hour rest for the basket one. So now time to make the chaat mixture. So I already have some boiled chickpeas. So this is some boiled potato. I cut it like a dice shape. So and then I need some. This is safe. You can buy from the Indian store. So we need some of this, and we need some diced tomato, small size, and some onions, fine chop, and I will put some fresh green chili, fine slice, and I will put some red chili also. We're making hot, and I will put some salt as taste. It's like a quarter teaspoon, less than quarter teaspoon. And you need some dry cumins, like a fry one. I already crush it. You need to crush little bit. And some fresh cilantro. And that's it. Some fresh meat also. Some people, what happen, they put all the stuff in the bucket or whatever they make the chaat. So then we'll put everything, but that is no good. So this one, what happened, you need to mix everything, all the spices, potato, chickpeas, onions, tomato. So it will combine, will mix all, absorb all the spices, including potato, chickpeas. So it will give you the nice flavor. So now you can see the mixture is ready. Now whatever you want, you can make the chaat. Like I'm making basket chaat. So I'll put it in the basket. We'll take like this, fill up the basket. This is like individual people like. Some people they like individually eat. So it's not bother other person, so you can enjoy it yourself. This is very tasty chaat and people enjoy it. So put some more here. Okay, now we'll garnish with the tamarind chutney. Unfortunately, I cannot show how to make the tamarind chutney. So near future, I'll show you how to make tamarind chutney and mint chutney. So we'll put some tamarind on top. Now you can put some yogurt. And on top of that you can add some mint chutney. And also need some garnish last. So next one, now I'll make the papri chaat. Like I make the matri, so I'll show you how to make the matri chaat. Okay. Basically same things, so only I add the matri. So I will put the matri inside. Then I will mix it. Then I will put it in the bowl. Now I will add the tamarind chutney on top of that. Some yogurt. And some mint chutney. And I will put some semi-save on top also for garnish. And also I have some, I make some small matri for the garnish. This is like a baby matri. Also some fresh onions on top of that, and some tomato, some mint, same thing, some fresh onion and some fresh tomato. Some cilantro for the garnish. If you enjoy my recipe, like my video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.